For a while now, we have been cooking and making complex dishes. So today I decided to bring this video to your awareness before the season fizzles away. I would not be able to forgive myself if I do not let you in on my new latest friend from the stocks called corn. I mean fresh corn. Hello fam, welcome to Lady Cleo's Food Hospital, a channel for intentional eaters. Before we go into what we have for today, please do well to like, comment, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. In Nigeria, it's called Oka in Igbo language. Abado, of course, you use that all the time. In Yoruba, feel free to add your own from your own native language. I would equally love to learn. It's equally called maize. Yes, it is one of the world's most popular cereal grains. It is the seed of a plant in the grass family, native to Central America, but grown in countless varieties worldwide. Corn is typically yellow or white, but it comes in a variety of other colors such as red, orange, purple, blue, white, and black. How many of you would love to eat black corn? I for one would love to test it, so if you know where I can get it, please hit me up. Corn is a healthy grain generally. It can be popped as popcorn. I love popcorn a lot, especially when you add milk to it, good as snacks. We equally have the sweet corn used for salads and fried rice and the likes. Corn can be refined into tortillas for your shawarma. Yes, shawarma is gotten and refined from corn. We have tortilla chips, cornmeal, corn flour, corn syrup, corn oil, and my sweethearts, corn flakes. I use that as breakfast. Please don't ask me my age. Note that refined corn products offer fewer health benefits, so fresh corn is better. This talky friend of mine has become one of my weekend getaways. I say weekend because of its White House properties, which you will get to understand later. Eat as you like, cooked, roasted. You can use it as a porridge, yes. Let me know in the comment section how else you would want to eat this particular grain. It can be consumed with coconut, local pear, or even groundnut. To make it more intercontinental, dip in Alfredo sauce. Don't worry, stick around, just turn on your notification bell. I'll teach you how to make the sauce. I love the sauce a lot. So let's look at the health benefits. First is the digestive health. It is good and perfect source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. By soluble fiber, I mean a creation of a gel-like substance. When consumed, it slows down digestion, ultimately promoting a feeling of fullness. Good for weight management, cholesterol control, and sugar regulation. By insoluble, I mean the opposite of soluble. It does not dissolve easily, therefore adding bulk to stool, and helps food move through the digestive system, preventing constipation. Corn does both jobs, that it contains both soluble and insoluble. If you're still with me, please like. There is never a time I ate corn that I did not end up in the White House. This is because it aids in digestion and regular bowel movement, thus preventing constipation and bile. It aids in blood sugar regulation by managing and regulating blood sugar levels. It's a good source of prebiotics. For your assignment, let me know in the comment section what prebiotics are, if you know. Now, there's a difference between probiotics and prebiotics. Stick around for other videos and you'll get to learn that. Corn as a prebiotic feeds and supports healthy gut bacteria, which is beneficial for overall gut health. Ladies, take advantage of this. A good gut health equals to minimized risk of recurring infections. For your eye health, corn contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants known to be beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants can equally help to protect against age-related macular degeneration. This means an eye defect that affects central vision, that's the inability to see things directly in front of you. That's called macular degeneration. And we have cataract. Corn helps equally to, of course, prevent that. We have the heart health. The fiber in corn can help lower cholesterol levels, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. The potassium content in corn also plays a role in regulating blood sugar and, of course, reducing inflammation via its antioxidants, which is causative for heart disease. Corn is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, folate, B vitamins, as well as minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. The last but not the least, corn can be a good source of energy. Yeah, if you're into sports, you need this. Due to its complex carbohydrates, corn is naturally gluten-free, making it a suitable option for those with gluten sensitivities. As a note of advice, which you may choose to take or not, corn offers many benefits which cannot be overemphasized. Thus, it's important to consume in moderation as part of a balanced diet, in as much as it helps to manage and regulate sugar, making it okay for diabetics. It is necessary to consume in moderation, mindful of carbohydrate content in it. Also, endeavor to monitor your blood sugar regularly. Till I come your way next time, this remains Lady Cleo's Food Hospital. Bye.